Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a weird product today. So I saw it in the store, it was on clearance, it was on sale, so I decided to give a try. Why not? It's only $5 in the store, so this is new for me and it looked weird for me. So by the way, I don't know how to do faux lashes, so we'll see how it's gonna look like when I'm trying to put it on to my eyelashes. So yeah, so okay, this is what's look like, guys. This is the magnetic lash eyeliner and it's a shade black. So I think I throw away the instruction. Where is the instruction? I throw it away on the trash. I'll be right back, guys. Okay guys, I did throw it in the trash, the instruction, by the way. So this is what's look like the eyeliner, black eyeliner. This is what's look like, and let's take it off. I like the packaging of the eyeliner, it's gold like that. So this is what's look like, guys, the magnetic lash eyeliner. And let's read the instruction. By the way, guys, you have to buy the separate magnetic faux lashes. So I didn't know that before. I didn't know that I have to buy a separate faux lashes. I didn't know when I opened it already. I noticed that this is only the magnetic lash eyeliner. So you have to buy a separate magnetic faux lashes. By the way, guys, I have this for a long time. I forgot about it. Good thing I do have the magnetic faux lashes. Otherwise, I cannot do this without this one. So I'll be using the Ardell magnetic accent faux lashes. This is the one, and this is what's look like. So let's do it. I don't know how to do faux lashes, we'll see. So let's read the instruction first. It said, first, step 1, shake magnetic lash eyeliner before use. So shake natin daw yung magnetic lash eyeliner, and then after we shake it, step 2, apply 3 layers of magnetic lash eyeliner to lash line, waiting for each layer to dry. In between application, those, they have pictures over here if you wanna 1 layer, 2 layer, 3 layer to make it like thicker. So okay, I want to see you what's look like the liquid. Wait, this is what's look like, guys. This is what's look like the lash eyeliner. So I'm gonna go ahead apply it to my wing liner, and we'll see if it's gonna work or not. Okay guys, I'm gonna start applying it to my eyelid. Oh, I don't know how to apply this. We'll see. Okay, I'm gonna add 1 more coat to make it thicker. Okay, so I just did 2 coats, so I'm gonna set it. So I'm gonna wait till it dry, and we're gonna put the magnetic faux lashes. So okay, it looked like dry already, so we're gonna put these faux lashes to our eyelid. This is what it's look like, guys, when I apply it there. So I'm gonna go ahead apply it to my eyelid. We'll see it's gonna stick to our lash eyeliner. I don't know how to use this, guys. Never used this one. So I don't know how to use this. See, struggle. I don't know how to use this. I don't know if I picked the right one. It's not. I'm having trouble to put it on, so I think I need to put more of the liquid lash eyeliner so that it can stick, because it's not sticking. This part is not sticking to my, yeah, so I'm gonna put more of this. Okay guys, so I stopped doing the magnetic faux lashes. Instead of magnetic faux lashes, I tried to put the faux lashes, the regular one, the one that's not magnetic, so like this one. So finally I put it onto my eyes. It worked. So I can't believe that any type of faux lashes, even is not magnetic faux lashes, it work to your eyelashes. It worked when I try to put it on. It stick to my this lash eyeliner, stick really nice and easy, like oh my god. So okay guys, I'm so happy that it worked with any type of fake faux lashes. It stick my lashes really good. So I'm gonna go ahead apply this lash, what do you call this, magnetic lash eyeliner to my other side of my eyes, and I'm gonna show you how the faux lashes, how it's easy to put in to your lashes with using with this one. Earlier, like kind of like I'm disappointed already because it's hard to put the magnetic lashes, is hard to put into my my eyelashes. When you start using those regular fake faux lashes, the one that not magnetic, it's easy to put it on. Oh my god, I can't I can't believe it. So now I have an idea how to put my fake faux lashes easy, and it's not hassle. You don't have to put glue on it. It's just like a eyeliner, just like line up your wing liner and put your lashes on. So I'm gonna go ahead, oh my god, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my this side, and I'm gonna show you how it's easy to put it on after we're applying this magnetic lash eyeliner. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start applying this magnetic lash eyeliner to my under lid right here. Okay, that's how it looks like. I make it thicker, so so that's good enough. Okay, I'm speechless. So we're gonna wait till it dry, this magnetic lash eyeliner, and we're gonna put on the fake faux lashes. So okay, it's look like dry now, so I'm gonna go ahead apply it to my faux lashes. So this is just the regular fake faux lashes, not the magnetic one. So I'm gonna show you how it's easy to apply to my faux lashes. There you go, guys. So this will look like. Oh my god, so there you go, guys. It's easy. It's look like a when you start put it onto the, what do you call it again, I forgot, this magnetic lash eyeliner. It stick really good to your eyelashes. So so because I don't know how to put faux lashes with the glue, I'm having trouble putting on with the glue. It's a mess using glue. So now that I tried this magnetic lash eyeliner, so yay, I'm so excited. Oh my god, it was on clearance in the store at Walmart for $5. So I just saw it and then I decided to try it on. So hopefully when I come back to work, I still have these on sale so that I can buy 3 more. Just I have in stock because I really do love this one. It's easy to apply your faux lashes. It's not messy at all. You just like make a wing liner using this one, and then after that, when you see it's dried already, you can put your any types of faux lashes you have, and it's work. So my god, oh, I'm so excited. How it's been like really popular in social media like Instagram, Facebook, but I don't know that this is really, I don't know that it's work. It's really easy to put your faux lashes on. So yay, I do love using faux lashes. Normally sometimes if like I'm taking photo shoot with myself, pictures, it gives those your eyes more more volume, for it's look like you're more volume or whatever, more like awake your eyes. So I'm so happy that I am so happy that I'm so happy that this one exists. It's easy to put on your lashes. It's like not a mess at all. So oh my god, so because I have plenty of faux lashes that I never try, because I have a plenty of faux lashes that sometimes I lazy to try it because it's a mess using the glue. So now I can use all of these faux lashes that I have. I have this for a long time. I haven't, some of them I already use it, but yes, oh thank you, this is really work. I recommend it to you guys. Just look for this kind of magnetic lash eyeliner and try it on. If you're fan of faux lashes, give this a try, and it save your time a lot. So earlier I was having trouble putting on the magnetic faux lashes. It didn't work. So, and I decided to try regular faux lashes, not the magnetic one. It worked to my eyes. So yay. So you know what, this is perfect if you're like, even you're running out of time. So just use this one, draw your wing liner and put your faux lashes and you're good to go. This is what it look like, our faux lashes. It's easy to apply. You don't have to use a glue, so really easy. I recommend it to try it because it's gonna save your time a lot. So this is what's looking. So happy now. I'm ready. Sometimes if I wanna take a selfie, put my faux lashes on, and I'm good to go. So yeah, so that's it for today's vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye.